definitely up there. I'm definitely up there with the greats, without a doubt. Like I said, enjoy each and every moment of West Indies, playing for West Indies. Like I said, it's still not the end. Still have a few games to go, and maybe another series to go as well. So who knows? We'll see what happens. But like I said, it's been it's been a lot of ups and downs. I got to say, and I really enjoy each and every moment. But we share some quality moments with some quality players as well. Started my career with the likes of Courtney Walsh, Curtly Ambrose. You watch those guys on TV, then you realize you're in a dressing room, with this bunch of guys. And Brian Lara, first captain as well, Carl Hooper. So it's some quality moments when you look back on it. I would have to analyze it and give you a full details and a better exclusive interview on that particular moment, and then we can take it further. But like I said, I couldn't ask a better career representing West Indies. Well, we need 2 points definitely. It's an important game for us. I know it's still a slim chance for us to actually qualify, but anything is possible. And going up against India, it's always going to be a challenge. India have been playing good cricket as well, so I'm actually looking forward to it. And everyone know India's style of cricket, and hopefully we can actually counter that tomorrow and get the better of them.
I think at the start of this tournament, we all match up every single team, and most captains said that it's a competition where once you play good cricket on any given day, anyone can beat anyone, and it's just a matter for us to put together a complete game. We've shown glimpses here and there of what we can produce, and as a side, we just haven't brought it together, collectively more often than not, and it's hurt us in the games before. So yeah, tomorrow's another opportunity for us to bring it all together and play a perfect game.